Hey, what's happening, guys? Just in the shed, and I've been doing a couple upgrades to my SX5 with the 65 in it, and I just recently got in some parts from Thanks Mark Taylor.
Three, two, one.
Right, so there she is, the 65, and yeah. Just before I actually get into the upgrades, I am on the verge of retiring Kraken my Kraken cage. And the reason why I'm retiring it is the only two people or the only two places where you can buy Kraken panels from, Kraken RC, don't sell panels for this anymore, and Dave's Discount Motors don't sell panels for this. So you have to buy a whole cage to get new panels, and yeah, that's pretty broken there. In fact, the last time I was out, I actually drove, ended up driving over it. So that one's broken. That's broken, and the other one at the back, the opposite panel, is also broken. So I think what I'll do is I'm just going to be driving the cage or driving the car with just the cage as it is, just with the roof panel on it. It's pity that you can't buy more panels for it. I know there's a guy on Instagram and a guy on Facebook who makes carbon fiber panels, but he doesn't return my calls or my messages and doesn't want to take my money. Ha! So I guess I'm not getting those. What have I done to this car just recently? I'll start off in the front, and I added Dean Jeffries Bonehead top front brace, and then I added that one as well. I had for the longest time since I built this car the de-anodized HPI ones, so I got those, and then I got a set of Red Arrow front hubs, and they're quite nice. Although I would say the machining is not the cleanest, but they're very nice. They are very nice. And then I got in a set of these Fonzie turnbuckles, and they are super beefy. So those are quite nice, and I think they complement the Red Arrow hubs as well. And then I stuck on a set of the Galante limit straps on the front, so I'm pretty happy with those. And then I did have a 5-minute run with those, so that's a new set that I've got on there. It is a 4826. So those are, I had 5 minutes last time I was out. I had 5 minutes of those. Let's get the car around. So there you can see those Galante straps on the back, and they seem to be working quite nicely. Pretty stoked with that. I've got the Bonehead spark plug protector, and wow, look at that, hey, some battle wounds, some serious battle wounds. Yeah, that Kraken cage doesn't offer a whole lot of support around the back here, so this has helped a little bit, alleviating some of the damage on the pipe. But you know, truth be told, the pipe is freaking dinged now. I don't think it actually affects performance. I think if it does affect performance at all, it's probably very minimal. I'm not too bothered. I might try and repair it, or maybe just order another one. See how we go. These are quite nice as well, but I've showed you guys these before. These crud guards, and they seem to keep a lot of stuff off the drives. The drives and the bottoms of the shocks a little bit cleaner. Right, so yeah, there she is. I'm pretty stoked with this car. She is an epic car to drive. Love it. Here's the rest of the crew. Big shout out to Darren Longford, Longford Racing from Facebook. He sold me this set, the 1955 Blackbone with the carrier on it. Thank you very much, Darren. I really appreciate it. And then he sent them over to Mike at Taylor RC, and Mike added them to an order that I had going through. So that was quite nice. I'm quite stoked with that. Some big changes coming to this car quite soon. It's definitely one of my favorites. You know, it's every man's car with its OBR 34 in it. Yeah, very reliable. Doesn't break down, that car. It's a good car. The Low C, you guys know the Low C. The Twin, you guys have seen the Twin a lot. MCD. Right, and, so I hope you guys enjoyed the short little vid and checking out my car, and I hope to get out into the field really soon. And thanks all for watching, and remember to like and subscribe, and there's always new things happening, and like I said, there's going to be some big changes happening soon. I've got a new cage set up for my 65, and I've got some new things happening for my little Kraken Badger. So yeah, anyway, enjoy guys, catch you later.